Hello students, how are you? Students, the day before yesterday, I told you the summary of the lesson, the enemy. Now today I am going to explain first part of it. Now listen. Dr. Sadao Haki's house was built on a spot of the Japanese coast where as a little boy he had often played. Students, the narrator of the lesson is saying that Dr. Sadao Haki's house was located at the Japanese coast where he used to play during his childhood. The low square stone house was set upon rocks well above a narrow beach that was outlined with pines. Dr. Sadao Haki's house was low in height. It was made up of square stones and was set on the rocks well above the beach, which had a boundary of pine trees. He said that beach was surrounded with pine trees. As a boy, Sadao had climbed the pines, supporting himself on his bare feet, as he had seen men do in the South Seas when they climbed for coconuts. Students, during his childhood, Dr. Sadao used to climb pine trees barefoot. Used to climb pine trees barefoot after being inspired by the men who used to do so to get coconuts from the trees. His father had taken him often to the islands of those seas and never had to fail to say to the little brave boy at his side, "Those islands yonder, they are the stepping stones to the future for Japan." When Dr. Sadao used to go to the islands along with his father used to tell him by pointing towards the islands that those islands were the future, those islands were the stepping stones to the future for Japan. "Where shall we step from them?" Sadao had asked seriously. At this, after listening the words of his father, Dr. Sadao asked him in childish manner, where they should reach from those islands. Means that Sadao in a childish manner asked his father where Japanese people should reach after reaching those islands. "Who knows?" his father had answered. "Who can limit our futures? It depends on what we make it." At this, Dr. Sadao's father answered, Nobody knew about that, where Japanese people should reach after reaching those islands, should reach from those islands. Nobody could limit the future of Japanese people. Nobody could control Japanese people. Nobody could limit the future of Japanese people, and it depended on the abilities of Japanese. Now students, I think you will have understood the meaning of this part of the lesson. I request you to read and write the explanation and tomorrow I will explain next part of it. Thank you and have a nice day.